Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm going to show you what I use for a simple U.S. Army gear loadout. Now, going into further detail, M4, Sergeant, Staff Sergeant or Sergeant First Class rank. Gotta find out again, I forgot. Yeah. No, it's a Staff Sergeant rank, I'm pretty sure. But, U.S. Army patch. Phone. Radio. Motorola Talkabout. Sharpie. And Leatherman tool. Extra magazines. And ACU visual camo. And yes, I'm wearing a hoodie without a hood underneath it because it's very cold right now. It's like June and 65. It's cold. Now, some people ask me when I'm in a game, what is this? What does this do? And, so, basically, I tell them how I made my 1-point sling. I took a really crappy sling right in front of them. I made this. It took me 3 minutes. Leatherman tool. Those are the two tools you need: is a crappy sling that comes with a gun, and a Leatherman tool. Open up the Leatherman tool. Take the hook and straight on this part. Just put the Leatherman tool right there. You can get it to sometimes, it doesn't do it. What I did is I pulled back down like that. I got my tool right in there. Just like that. And then you use these wire cutters to just snap that metal. Thin aluminum. And you just cut that. And you only cut one of them off because if you ever want to store this easier, bring this up to the front, clip it on. There's your M4 ready for storage. That way you don't have a sling hanging down like this. But now that I do have my sling hanging down like that, down, straighten the sling up.
now you have 2 hands free, and your gun isn't sitting there across your chest like this the entire time. It's down where you can bring it all the way up into your shoulder and be aiming down it, and then the next minute you can have it down, laying down, hands free. You can work on anything you need to. You can go pistol, flashlight, you can do little bomb defusing, hurt locker style. You can build something. Pretty much anything you need to do with your hands, you can do. And I know you can do that with a regular sling, but it helps when you have a 1 point, because your gun isn't right here. You can lay on your belly, notice on your back even. It just makes it a lot easier to do certain things a certain way. So, that's pretty much it for that video. If you have any suggestions for me, send me an inbox or a private message, and I can try to make videos for you. Subscribe, rate, and comment. Thanks for watching.